Host, welcome back, aspiring GMAT test takers. Today, we are diving into a crucial aspect of GMAT sentence correction, the proper usage of the word each. Understanding this subtlety is vital to achieving a top score. In this video, we will explore the nuances of each and discuss the traps commonly found in GMAT-style questions. So, let's get started. Before we tackle the tricky questions, let's review the fundamental usage of each. In English, each refers to individual items within a group or set. It emphasizes that the action or characteristic applies to every individual element, not collectively. Also, we should make a note that the verb used with each will always be singular. To put this into perspective, take a look at this example sentence: each student is responsible for their own project. Here, each highlights that every student has a personal responsibility. Now, let's talk about a common trap that the GMAT loves to set. Consider this sentence: each student and teacher are preparing for the exam. Please pause the video, think about the answer, and press play when you are ready. The error here is in the verb agreement. Remember, when each is involved, the verb must be singular. Therefore, the correct version should be: each student and teacher is preparing for the exam. A singular agreement with is corrects the mistake. Now, let's move on to another trap involving modifiers. When each is used, it refers to the closest plural noun, making sure you are considering the right context. For instance, consider this sentence: my two sons each had a separate toy car. Here, each refers to the plural noun sons. This keeps the meaning clear and avoids any confusion. But that's not the end of the story. Each can also jump over modifiers or back-to-back modifiers that might confuse the meaning. Consider this example: my two sons, one 5 years old, the other 9 years old, each had a separate toy car. In this case, each jumps over the modifiers and refers to sons, maintaining clarity. Alright, let's put what we have learned to the test with a practice question. Please pause the video, think about the answer, and share your answers in comments.